Hello, hello, let's have a shape dance party. The Bouncy Pals are dancing with shapes. Stand up and dance along with us. Let's go. Let's dance with the circle. Spin round and round like a circle. Circle, circle, dance, dance, dance. Woohoo! Let's dance with the square. March in a square, step, 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 step. Square, square, dance, dance, dance. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Let's dance with the triangle. Point up high to the 3 pointy corners. Triangle, triangle, dance, dance, dance. Ooh. Let's dance with the star. Jump and twinkle like a shiny star. Star, star, dance, dance, dance. Woohoo! Let's dance with the heart. Give yourself a big love heart hug. Heart, heart, dance, dance, dance. Woohoo! Let's dance with a diamond. Shimmer and sparkle like a diamond. Diamond, diamond, dance, dance, dance. Woohoo! Let's dance with a rectangle. Stretch tall and wide like a rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle, dance, dance, dance. Woohoo! Let's dance with the oval. Sway round and round like a stretchy oval. Oval, oval, dance, dance, dance. Woohoo! What a shapely dance party! Let's dance with them all. Circle, square, triangle. You are a super shape dancer. Woohoo! What a wonderful shape dance party. The Bouncy Pals had so much fun with you. Can you wave goodbye? Keep dancing, keep learning, and keep being amazing. Bye-bye.